Thank you for joining. Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presents Evexia Diagnostics Lab Ordering. Today, we will be reviewing how to place a lab order for Evexia Diagnostics to improve your workflow. From the patient summary page in the patient's chart, navigate down to the ordering section and click on Lab Test positioned here. Access the drop-down menu and select the lab company that's paired with Evexia. Let's select LabCorp, Evexia for this example. Select the ordering provider from the available list on the drop-down menu. Date to draw will default to the today's date. Simply click on the date box if you wish to push out the draw date. You have two options under Bill to. If you select Patient, Evexia will charge the patient directly. They will receive a correspondence from Evexia to pay the total balance. It's important to note that if no payment is received from the patient to Evexia, the requisition form will not be released to P2P. If you select Practice, the patient is going to pay the practice, and the practice will need to pay Evexia. Let's select Bill to Practice for this example. Select the blood collection type from the available drop-down list. You can select LabCorp Patient Service Center, Mobile Phlebotomy, or In-Clinic. We will select LabCorp Patient Service Center for this example. Add or remove any diagnoses. Add instructions to the order under the Comments section. Use the search bar to locate any Evexia lab tests that are available and select from the auto-populated options. Or select a lab test from the commonly ordered section or use a test group that has been created. The amount due will be displayed as Evexia subtotal shown here. It's important to note that the total amount does not come from the practice's fee schedule. It comes from Evexia. This amount will need to be paid by the practice to Evexia. If bill to patient was selected, the patient will owe the subtotal amount plus a 3% service charge. Click on Save if you wish to place the lab order in pending status shown here. Click on the date to draw to open the lab order. Click on Order. This will send the lab order to both Evexia's system and to the lab company that was selected. A PDF will generate of the lab breakdown to show as a reference to which lab tests were ordered. Please note that there is a 30 to 60 second delay for the PDF to generate for you to view. Click Refresh on your web browser or hit the F5 key. If you have selected Bill to Patient, the lab order will be under Pending Lab Order with no PDF icon until the patient pays the total balance via email from Evexia. For example, the patient will receive an email with step-by-step instructions to sign in. Once they have created their Evexia account, click on Pay Assigned Orders. The patient will see any lab order that is unpaid. Simply click on Pay this order to finalize payment. Once the payment is processed, Evexia's lab requisition will be released and you will see the PDF icon is accessible when you refresh the ordering page. Click on the PDF icon to open Evexia's lab requisition. This will be automatically saved under the Documents section in the patient's chart and available on their portal. Thank you for joining the Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presentation on Evexia Diagnostics Lab Ordering. Look out for more 2-Minute Tuesdays coming your way.